Here's a list of some important historical events that happened on December 9th. Smallpox officially eradicated 1979. On December 9, 1979, the World Health Organization who declared that smallpox had been completely eradicated worldwide. This achievement followed years of intensive vaccination efforts across many countries. For centuries, smallpox had caused massive suffering, but global cooperation finally brought the disease to an end. With no cases left, routine vaccinations stopped, marking one of humanity's greatest medical victories and offering hope for eliminating other deadly diseases. First, A Charlie Brown Christmas airs on television 1965. On December 9, 1965, the animated special A Charlie Brown Christmas aired on American television for the first time. Based on Charles M. Schulz's comic strip, it touched viewers with its warm message about friendship and the true meaning of Christmas. Its gentle storytelling set it apart from other holiday programs. Over the years, it became a beloved tradition, watched by families around the world every holiday season. Tanganyika gains independence 1961. On December 9, 1961, Tanganyika, formerly under British control, officially gained its independence. This moment allowed the people to take charge of their political future and identity. The event became a symbol of the decolonization movement spreading across Africa. A few years later, Tanganyika united with Zanzibar to form Tanzania, and the date is still celebrated as a proud reminder of freedom. Adoption of the Genocide Convention by the United Nations 1948. On December 9, 1948, the United Nations General Assembly adopted the Genocide Convention, the first international law to clearly define and condemn genocide. The treaty came after the tragedies of World War II, pushing nations to prevent and punish such crimes. It later became a global legal tool for holding perpetrators accountable. Today, the date serves as a reminder to honor victims and prevent future atrocities. Beginning of the First Intifada 1987. On December 9, 1987, the First Intifada began, a major Palestinian uprising against Israeli occupation in Gaza and the West Bank. It started after a fatal accident involving an Israeli truck and Palestinian workers, triggering widespread anger. Protests, strikes, and clashes soon spread across the region. The movement drew worldwide attention to the Palestinian struggle and deeply shaped the future of the conflict. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. We'd also love to hear from you, so leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Thanks for watching.